Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today friends I will show you how to fix Doordash Bogo over not working. So guys, if this over not working, all you have to do, you should be take a screenshot and then contact the support. For example guys, this is the Bogo over not working. Just click take any screenshot with this extension for example, and then all you have to do, go to the support team, write this email support team and then contact the email contact support to solve your problems. And you can contact also guys the support through this option. Just wait guys, you can contact support team with this email as I say, and upload your screenshot, and then make sure you read the first point guys. This is the, as you can see here, make sure guys read the first point and make sure it not for pickup, only for I did this last night and it was for pickup on. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content.